Okay, so brain want sleep. You say no, got stuff to do. Brain say, okay, fine, watch this, and then proceeds to absolutely ruin your entire day. Here's what's actually going on in there when you skip sleep, and it's way more chaotic than you think. Your brain has this one region called the prefrontal cortex. Think of it as your internal adult. It's responsible for logic, self-control, making good decisions, not texting your ex. Ahem. All the important stuff. Now, when you don't sleep, this region basically checks out. Brain scans show that even one night of bad sleep significantly reduces activity in the prefrontal cortex. Your internal adult, gone, left the chat. And here's the thing. Without it doing its job, your brain's emotional alarm system, the amygdala, goes completely unfiltered. Everything feels bigger. You're more anxious, more impulsive, more reactive. Not because something is actually wrong, just because your brain's bodyguard called in sick. Here's where it gets interesting. When you're sleep deprived, your brain's reward system gets hypersensitive, like dialed all the way up. Research using brain scans found that after just one night without proper sleep, the reward regions of the brain show significantly more activity in response to literally anything pleasurable. Food, impulse buys, bad decisions that feel good in the moment. Brain tired. Brain want feel good now. Brain not care about consequences. That's not you being weak. That's a documented neurological shift happening without your permission. Sleep is also when your brain processes and stores memories. Specifically during REM sleep, the deep dream stage, your brain is basically filing away everything you learned that day. Skip sleep, skip the filing. Research published in PNAS found that sleep deprivation disrupts the brain's ability to suppress unwanted memories and properly store new ones. So when you pull an all-nighter to study, you're literally undermining the process your brain needs to retain what you just studied. Brain says study, body says sleep. Body was right. One more thing most people don't know. While you sleep, your brain runs a literal cleaning system called the glymphatic system. It flushes out toxic waste proteins that build up during the day, including beta amyloid, the same protein linked to Alzheimer's disease. Stay awake. Waste builds up. Do this chronically. Researchers have found it significantly increases the risk of long-term neurological damage. Your brain is running a clean-up crew every single night, and you keep cancelling it to watch one more episode. So yeah, brain wants sleep. Maybe listen to brain. The science is genuinely wild on this one. And if you want to see what happens to your brain when you're bored, that video is right here. Spoiler, it's also not what you'd expect.